Hey guys, what's up? And in this video I will break down a 9-volt battery. And we will find out what's inside of it. So subscribe now to this channel and like this video. And this is a risky job. These batteries can explode with heat and fire. They can also explode if you try to recharge them. So if you want to do it yourself, make sure that battery is fully out of charge and ensure safety. This is a non-rechargeable battery. And you can see it's 9 volt. At this moment this is fully depleted. Okay, so let's start opening it. So I have these screwdrivers with me. They have different style mounts. So for this purpose I will use this flat screwdriver. With this I can easily tear open the covering shield of the battery. Okay, so here we go. There, the battery has a clear shield folding. So it's opening really easily. And that's it. The shield is off. There is some kind of segmentation inside. This is really nicely packed. Okay, it's off. That part was at the bottom of it. Just like that. Okay, so, oh, and there's some things off. There does not look much on the side of body. This part is used to bring both the polarities into one side. This was placed like that. This is one end. And that's the other. And this piece of metal is used to connect the bottom pole to that connection. Okay, and that one is connected directly to the other pole of the battery. And that one is connected here below. Okay, smart. Let's see what we have got inside of it. So you can see that there is a conductor. That is connected between. And it was like that. Okay, now let's open the main part. That is the battery. So it looks to be put inside some heat shrink tube. So let's tear it down. Okay, so there it's off. And there is zinc carbon inside. The segments are breaking apart really easily. That feels really nice. They are like chewing gums that are stacked in a packet. Really nice. Okay, so you can see it's carbon. When I rub my finger onto it, it leaves stains. Okay, let's find out what's inside that segment. And it's really soft. That's cool. And all that carbon is coming out of it. Okay, and here is the bottom segment. And this piece of metal was attached to it. Just directly. And that's all the carbon popped out. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. And subscribe for more cool videos, tech videos, and tutorial videos.